All right, let's start off with the Arrhenius theory. This is also called the classical definition because this is where our understanding of acids and bases first began from. We're going to look at how they behave in water. So an acid is going to yield H plus or H3O plus. It contains a hydrogen that's going to dissociate in water to yield those. Now H plus and H3O plus are used interchangeably. What happens if I have an H plus and I've got a water? That's where that H3O plus comes from. So basically it's the same thing. So this is what makes something acidic. We've got this covalently bonded hydrogen. It ionizes in water. Okay? And then a base is going to contain the hydroxyl group and yield hydroxide. So my acids are going to yield that H plus or the H3O plus. And bases are going to yield hydroxide. All right, so here is a classical acid. So I've got some generic HA that's going to dissociate into H plus and A minus. Or my HA interacts with water to give me that H3O plus and that A minus. Okay, so again, H plus or H3O plus used interchangeably. And then base, I've got some base with hydroxide. Okay. Then I'm going to get a positive B counter ion and then my hydroxide, or in water, I'll get this BH plus and hydroxide. So again, I have hydroxide in both cases. So in this classical Arrhenius definition, acids yield my H plus, my hydronium ion, and bases yield my hydroxide ion.